And the terms of it basically say that they own the seed. They refer to the seed as a technology, which is fantastic. And then they refer to the farmer as a steward. So you are the steward of their technology. They own everything. They still own the seed that you've planted. You're just using it. You are responsible for any consequences of its use. But you're also required to kind of douse it in the herbicide that they've also patented. So you're kind of subscribing to this company and having to purchase this line of products as you go. So for us to get specimens of that, just to document it for our collection, just a few seeds, is virtually impossible financially, and legally is perilous. If we were to ask a farmer to give us, we would be in violation of the terms of that agreement, and Monsanto is very aggressive, famously so, with their attorneys. So how to get around that? Well, in the US and in the EU now, industrial corn that's genetically engineered to be herbicide tolerant, is all over the animal food supply. It's not the corn that we buy in the store and that we eat, although it might be in our corn chips or something like that, but the seed ends up in animal feedstocks. It also ends up in pet food, things that are labeled not for human consumption. So if you can go to your local pet store, or the more commercial the better, look for bird seed that contains corn in it. Hopefully it's labeled not for human consumption. That's a good sign for the purposes of this experiment. Plant that seed, grow it up, then get yourself some Roundup, which I've seen it in stores here. You spray it with the Roundup, and the Roundup will kill any green plant, basically, except for the ones that Monsanto genetically engineered to be Roundup resistant. So anything that lives at that point, these are specimens of Monsanto Roundup Ready corn, and you have not violated the terms of that agreement. You did not sign it. You did not open the bag of seed. And it's the best fair use argument I can think of. So I would welcome their attorney's attention.
That's a nice story. Another thing that has to do with the project Studio Lab. We had you a few years ago here during the picnic festival and invited an audience together with you to experience how it is to sedate and kill animals for reasons of putting them in your collection. So we had zebrafish sedated by clove oil, painless, and the purpose of that was to engage an audience hands-on in something that has to do with making this